Hey everybody, this is Shawn from Shawn Enterprises, the owner of Proximity Marketing Lifestyle, Royalty Affiliate, and I want to make this video to go over this announcement from one of our competing companies. As you know by now, Google shut by their Nearby platform, and I told you before that there are going to be major consequences in the the proximity marketing niche using Nearby, and that a lot of these beacon companies were not going to be able to keep up and evolve with what was going on in our field. Um, as you can see here in the background, this here is one of our competing companies. It's actually our biggest competitor, Asirvia. And you're looking at their YouTube channel where they made an announcement yesterday that pretty much what that announcement was that they no longer were going to be in the marketing, advertising, proximity marketing niche. That they were partnering with this company Viv here and pretty much selling services as far as utilities and stuff like that. They have totally switched up their business model. They have just totally left the realm of marketing, advertising, and just totally left it alone and scrapped that. And they're pretty much telling their affiliates that they want them to go over to this company Viv and to sign up to be an affiliate, and that's now what they're doing. Well, good luck with that, because basically what that does is that you're leaving a lot of your customers hanging. A lot of small business owners, a lot of entrepreneurs that were using your services to promote their business on your platform. Um, they pretty much admitted that they tried to evolve. Um, they had a they were going with a way of developing an app, whereas you were trying to convince people to download this app on their phone so that you could pretty much market to them. And as you've seen in my previous videos, I've stated that that plan wasn't going to work. That it was going to fail. It was doomed from the start. And also, as I said, also that royalty royalty had the only plan in place that was going to work as far as us stepping into this new realm of proximity marketing and advertising for small businesses and entrepreneurs, and being able to do it at an affordable price. And I also said that a lot of other companies were going to fall to the wayside. And as you can see here, our biggest competitor, Asirvia, has done that and just totally left the marketing advertising field. And this pretty much have gone just to a straight MLM approach with what they'll be doing in the future. If you were a customer of Asirvia, if you are an affiliate and you still want to market and advertise your business opportunities, and you want your messages to be seen by customers on their cell phones, Royaltie has the way to do that. Royaltie has the best plan. Royaltie has the most creative plan, and shows that we had the foresight to be ready for Google's actions. And like I said, we were ready. We have a plan in place. Our plan is up and running. Our ads are being seen on cell phones. We are now placing ads on major apps that are already on prospective clients' phones. Ads are being seen. They're being interacted with to show that our vision is true. Now, be it it's only been up and running for about a week, but the results are phenomenal. Everyone is excited and ready for the future and what that is to bring. Um, like I said, I just basically did this video here to let you know basically that I knew what was going to come down the pike as far as a lot of our competition. And it's a tough it's tough going in business, man. It really is. And I really feel for a lot of Asirvia's customers and some of their reps and affiliates that have been left hanging. But what I am going to say to you is, come on over to Royaltie. We are still in the proximity marketing niche. We are still doing marketing and advertising. We have evolved with a plan that works. And it is working, and our numbers are showing that it's working. The excitement that's going on that is surrounding Royaltie shows that it's working. Um, you could get in with us for as little as $98 down, $29 a month. That's a drop in a bucket. If you have a reasonable advertising budget, it's very affordable, especially for what we are bringing you now with this new exciting approach that we had to proximity marketing. And also, if you're an affiliate, you're looking to, keep your customers, give them what they want. This is the best way to do it. Um, Exciting times here at Royaltie. We are still placing ads on cell phones. We are still advertising ads. We're actually doing it in a better way now. There is no guessing game. There is no I hope this prospect sees my message in that drop down menu. Now, if they're on Facebook, if they're on Instagram, they're in their CNN app, their Forbes app, their Yahoo app, just to name a few, they will see your ad as long as they're in range of your gem. Without a doubt, the numbers are proving it. We've had a successful rollout launch, and the numbers are coming in, the results are coming in, and they're very exciting. So come on, jump on board. We can keep you happy. We can keep your customers happy. We can keep your downline happy, and it won't be too much of a change for them. In all actuality, we're giving them a better product. If you're interested or you have any questions, you can reach out to me. Shawn. I'm Shawn Cole at Shawn Cole Enterprises. You can reach me 410-929-3390. If you like the contents of this video, you can like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll greatly appreciate it. Um, if you're looking to join Royaltie right now because you have upset customers or upset members in your downline, come sign up with me. We do free trainings. I'll give you all the resources that you need to be successful as far as making money online and making money here in this niche. Come in, we'll get you trained up, we'll get you set up so that you can be successful and everybody can be happy, because that's what we do here. We make sure that everybody is happy, all our affiliates are happy, all our customers are happy, and everybody makes money. That's what we're all about here at Royaltie. Like I said, my links will be in the description of this video. Again, you can reach me 410-929-3390. Thank you for your time today. Have a great one.